Hello, this is Scrapping Amy with Mommy Scrapping, and I am here with something brand new to me, the Tonic Craft Kit. I have seen Vicky P use these to make cards. I love watching her videos. I do make cards, but I'm not a huge card maker. I really like Tonic Studios, and of course I love Nuvo. Everybody I think knows this at this point. If you don't, surprise, I love Nuvo. So I decided I would get the craft kit and see if I could take those products, which are really designed, I think, more for card makers, and use them for my scrapbooking. So I have started with craft kit number 27, which is called Fairy Frames, and it comes with all of this stuff. Now, I will say, some of these things I already have, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about in just a moment. I'm going to set these off and want to first take a look at these papers. Now I have already opened this because I could not wait. So we have some plain cardstock. Let's see, this one's called Champagne and this one's olive green. They call that their classic card. I love this one on top. It's a specialty paper called Falling Glitter. Yeah, Falling Glitter. And it's kind of got like this gold, rose gold kind of sheen to it. So it's so pretty. This pretty glitter paper is glitter card called Opulent Orchid. And then we have a pearlescent card called Gleaming Lilac, mirror card called Pink Chiffon, and finally, let's see, what do they call this one? Oh, this is another specialty card called Champagne Harlequin. Now, some of these are 8.5 by 11. In fact, most of them are. The specialty card is not. I'm going to guess it's A4 size, maybe? I don't know. But it's the equivalent to letter size in the UK. And if you don't know, Tonic is a UK company. So then I also got some more washi tape, which washi is not something I seek out, but I'm always happy to have it, especially solid washis. I love that mustard yellow. I have some pages that will look great on. I also now have some Nuvo alcohol markers. Now, if you don't know, I have started buying some Copics, and I like Copic Sketch because it's got the flexible brush tip. Nuvo does not. Nuvo has a large chisel tip and then a fine tip. These are their cookies and cream markers, which you can see I guess over here, the three colors. We've got various shades of brown, basically. Garlic clove, brown sugar, and coconut shell. I'm very excited about this. I have my first Nuvo glitter marker in Iced Americano. I have heard amazing things about the Nuvo glitter markers, so I can't wait to try that out. So it looks like a darker brown and all sparkly. Now these are what I do have. They sent some mini supplies. This is the Nuvo Glacier Paste in Green Envy, and I do have the full size of that. So I am not going to be opening this up. I'm going to set it aside. There's also the mini glitter drops in Pink Champagne, which I also have, and then the mini dream drops in Fairy Wings. I am going to put these in a giveaway pile because I am getting closer to 1,000 subscribers, and I think I'm going to do a little giveaway when I hit 1,000. And those are some things that I will include. All right. Also, some Craft Perfect dimensional foam pads. So these are 25 millimeters by 25 millimeters. So let's see here for the American people in the audience. It's almost an inch exactly. So about square inch foam pads. I have never used any of the Tonic foam. And then these are what really gets me into it. I love seeing these cute little binders. You open it up and it's got the stamps and the metal dies. And apparently every 3 kits they send a binder. So they have it divisible by 3. So 27 is divisible by 3. So technically I should have started with 25, 26, 27. And then this one would have fit in there. But I'm apparently just going to start with 27. So this will go in here, and then I've got a cute little binder, and I can put a sticker or something on it to tell what I have in it. So they have this stamp set, which is very fall-based. I've got a mushroom. Sarah, if you're watching this, I'm thinking of you. The cute little acorn, a pine cone. I've got 2 veins for leaves, and then some phrases. Wishing you a magical day, you're enchanting, and best wishes. Which these really do feel like you know, card sentiments. Your Enchanting, I think I could definitely use on a layout above my, or about my daughter. And I know I can use those motifs in different layouts. Then, see, we're going to come to that last. There's a little ad in here for the Tim Holtz Travel Media Mat, which is now available left-handed. So if you're a lefty and haven't wanted to get it, I really like it. My friend Miranda just got one and she loves it. And then Tonic always includes a sticker, create something magical every day, and it's in their fairy theme, and I am going to put it on the cover there because that's what I see Vicky do, and I really like her. So all right, so first thing in here, we have some circles, which those will actually coordinate well with these, but I have a vine piece, 2 fairies, and one of the leaves. So let me see if I can flip it this way. It might be better. Yeah, you can see a little better. So I can cut out the leaf and then put the veins on it. And then this one has the maple leaf in it. It has some more circular pieces, and then I've got a 5-pointed flower, and then like a flower on a stem with some leaves. And then this, let me open this, maybe. This is neat because they're meant to be used with, let's set that aside, with these circles. So this large die, they're all different frames, but this large one, if I cut it just like this, it would leave the center in there. So if I want to use it behind something, which is quite likely what I'm going to be doing it for scrapbooking, that's great. I can also then put that circle there and completely cut it out and have the center empty. And the same thing with the center one here, it will leave everything, it will cut out the middle and then leave everything else on the paper, or I could use that circle with it. And then either of those circles could be used with this middle border. So this is actually really cool. I think it's going to have to go back into the plastic every time though, because otherwise that sticky is going to get on the folder. So I'll pull out just the scrap of my white paper. All right, now let's see, to activate. So you do have to activate, and it comes in, I don't know if you can see that real well, but it comes in a wide variety of colors. Well, I don't know, wide variety, lots of rainbow colors. So the nib is white to begin with. To activate, press and hold the nib for 3 seconds. Test the pen on a scrap of paper before use. All right, so I don't know if it needs to be shaken up. I don't think it does. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I can start seeing it starting to flow into the tip. Is this? Oh, and that goes on there. There you go. You can see that it's starting to come out. Almost there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at the glitter in that. Holy moly. Okay, that is going to be fun to color for gingerbread for Christmas cards. I'm just saying. That's awesome. Does it smear? No. Now some of the shimmer does come off. I don't know if you can see it. It does come off a little bit on my finger. But it reminds me of the Zig, like the Wink of Stella stuff that you can just put over. It's got that same kind, I don't know if you can, I don't think you can see it because this is a clear one I've got just to put over top stuff. But it's got that gorgeous glitter. Okay, I am going to need some more of these. These are going to be fun. I kind of want to take it to school and grade papers with it. Would my kids just flip if they got a paperback that had 100 in glitter? Oh my goodness, this will be fun to use. So I just wanted to share this quickly. I'm not planning on making a page for this one. I do want to try these out. So this isn't really, it's a smooth cardstock, so I'm not too worried about it. So let's see, brown sugar, garlic clove, and coconut shell. And Oh, okay, I'm going to have to. All right, let's try this. So that is really pretty. Like that. So you've got a very foresty vibe with this. And it does blend. I'm still new to blending all of my alcohol marker stuff. So it does blend, but it is very pretty. There's the mid-tone and then the dark tone. And I am going to have to get out my cutter bees. So I don't really see me. There we go. Oh, that is a nice wide tip. Ooh. There we go. So let's cut the brown sugar one. So these kind of markers with just the chisel and fine are going to take some getting used to by me. Now what's nice about the Tonic craft kits is that you get a variety of supplies every month. So next month is not going to be more washi tape, another glitter marker, although if there was another glitter marker, I wouldn't complain. And like that. But, okay. Does that go on there? Why doesn't my sticker match? There we go. Now it matches. That's so weird. So, I'll get different stuff. And they actually already have their preview video for Kit 28 up, which is black and gold. I cannot get over this glitter marker. I need some more of this. This is really cool. It reminds me of this Facebook video that I keep seeing. There's a little butterfly. All right, so there is the Tonic kit for Kit 27. I am going to be working on doing some layouts in the next couple weeks. So some may end up here on YouTube, some may end up on Instagram, and I am going to try to revive my blog because I need to post some stuff there. So check out all those places. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe, hit that button, and also hit the notification button so you are notified whenever I upload a new video, and also notified whenever I go live, because I do lives here on YouTube about once a week, and I would love to have you guys join me. Hope you guys all have a lovely, magical day, and I'll see you later. Bye!